Let me move it for you. What's the next word?
Banana.
Okay, hold on a second. Okay, hold on a second, Emma. Go ahead. Yep. Yep. Okay. What's after N?
A.
Yep. What's after A?
And
Yep. And what's after the N?
A.
A. Okay, nice job. Go check the mark.
Yes!
Check the next one. You're almost done. Here, don't forget your marker. Oh, you want to use that one? Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Next to banana, go to mark.
Check
Perfect.
mark.
Okay, what's the next word on the list? Over here. I'm gonna look at the board.
Pancakes.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, you need to type it in. Let me move the cursor for you. Because I know that's kind of difficult sometimes, right? Okay, I want you to go ahead. So, what's the first?
P.
Yep.
A.
Oh, hold on a second. I think it's you want to use this keyboard, Emma. Hold on. So A, and then what?
P.
No,
Daddy.
backspace. One more time. So what's after A? N.
And.
Yep. And then what letter?
A.
I think that's a C. Where's the C? And what's after C? Very good. Watch out. What's after C? A.
A.
Yep. One more letter. Three more letters. K. E. And then what? S.
Where is it?
Hurry up. Hurry to hit the S. You can do the... Okay, do the check mark now. Let's go do the check mark. Good job. High five.
Check mark.
Okay.